Here we are down at the Cameron Home Center, and today I'm excited to talk about the Blaze BBQs premium units. I'm going to run you through the differences between the LTE and the Professional series, and then I'm going to finish off by talking about the Prelude Blaze series outdoor kitchen combo unit. First things first, you get to distinguish between the Blaze LTE and the Pro simply by looking at the front is the easiest way to tell off the bat on the floor in the showroom. You'll see the LTE has a square face here, and then you go to the Pro series, it's actually got a little bit of a chamfered edge. If you're opening these guys up, it's really easy to distinguish, mainly by the great big handle up top. You can feel I broke that. You can feel the size of the handle and the weight of the lid right off the bat. But let's dig into some of the components, and I'm gonna show you why going to a commercial grade barbecue like the Blaze Pro is an awesome idea. So right over here, I got the Blaze LTE hardware. We got the burner, of course, all cast. If you could feel this thing, it's like a freight train packing 40 million BTUs off of this puppy. You may not think it is a big deal unless you got a lot of experience on a barbecue, but actually separating the width of the flames has big value. You're gonna get a way more even sear and heat distribution across the face. The heat diffuser inside the barbecue, it's all pressed stainless steel 304. One of the biggest differences, oh yeah, I'm a big dude, but these guys are serious. You can see the Hex grills on there. She's solid, gives you a ton of surface area to sear up those steaks on these guys. You get amazing grill marks. So getting inside, this is the Big Daddy, the 4-burner, and you can see right away that the burner inside this thing, it's all cast stainless, and you can see the size of that thing. It's absolutely enormous, and you're getting really big, wide flame on that guy, so the heat distribution on it's incredible. So here's the LTE version, and then you can see the Pro version down there at the bottom. You're getting into a hefty barbecue. These guys really do stand up to commercial use. Lifetime warranty on both lines, all 304 stainless steel throughout these guys. It's something you can count on for years. Easy to swap out parts if you ever do. Unlikely, but of course they're all backed up by the warranty. They're beautiful, beautiful grills, especially when you work them into an outdoor kitchen like this. Custom outdoor kitchens, great way to do it. Of course, the cart model you can do as well, which really is like an outdoor kitchen in itself. The quality of these guys, like you just don't see carts like this on a barbecue. Got your fully welded drippings tray there, so you don't need to worry about cleaning or dropping anything underneath your barbecue, like with some brands. And it's just rigid. You can see you got solid core doors on there. And by solid core, I mean fully enclosed. It's not just a base panel covering this guy up. Natural gas or propane are both options in these guys, so you can burn any fuel that you like. Soft close built right in. Oh, seamless. Just a beautiful display of craftsmanship. There's a discount on this model because I dropped a picture frame on it. Just kidding, it looks phenomenal. Of course, you got the infrared searing on the back there for your rotisserie. That bar built right in there. So I'm gonna go to the LTE, pull that guy off of there, and we're just gonna show the difference in size of material. Now this is heavy too. This has gotta be 18, 20 pounds. I'm a fairly beefy fella, so I don't make it look as difficult as it may seem for an average human being. So just check out the thickness difference on these guys. So this is big in barbecue standards. This is absolutely enormous. The heat retention that you're gonna get in this guy is gonna keep your cook so stable. It'll keep your in-laws coming back for seconds. Depends if you like them or not, I guess. I'll leave that up to you. I'm not getting too personal, but amazing units. The grills are incredible. I wouldn't want to throw anything else in my house because it's a one-time purchase. You're not gonna be throwing this thing out every year and a half, 2 years, like you will some standard brands from some bigger box stores, if you know what I'm saying. These guys are a one and done deal, and the warranty backs that up too. So not to mention, if this was sitting outside and decided to get the elements at it, it's gonna take a couple decades for that to be inoperable. What I love about these guys is the features. Of course, cooking outside is becoming a way bigger thing now. You can throw a entire alligator on that sear stick in there, rotisserie that puppy up. You also got the griddle, which I love because my family eats a million pancakes on Saturday morning. I cook them, I'm the pancake guru. Griddle plate, oversized, you can throw 30 pancakes on that puppy, feed a small army. Another cool thing here, the pizza stone. Pizza ovens are a big thing nowadays. People are cooking pizzas on everything. Fires, pizza ovens, barbecues, in your stove. You want to have options and flexibility when it comes down to cooking. Cookies. You want to cook cookies in your barbecue? Well, once you taste them on that consistent grilling surface, you're not going to want to cook your cookies anywhere else. While we're talking about Blaze, I want to bring out burner accessories. So the power burner there, if you want to fry up 5,500 gallons of crab, that guy there is gonna do it. Oh yeah, we gotta see this. So these guys actually have lights built right into their grills. And believe it or not, it has a lot of value. When you're running around outside at night, the lights really do come in handy. They light up your world, like a unicorn lighting up your steak. But you can see the Pro line with the red lights, absolutely beautiful. My personal favorite has to be the griddle. So you can see you got the griddle plate, big guy, not quite as large as the actual built-in one. You're not gonna get as even of heat distribution. But what I love about this guy, like it is commercial grade gear. And if you want a outdoor kitchen to last through the apocalypse, you can keep those kids having pancakes even in the end of days with zombies chasing you around. Not to mention you could actually use the grill grate for a pretty solid weapon, I might add. They are hefty. Another interesting thing Blaze has come out with that we are excited to announce is the outdoor kitchen. Check that guy out, just a beauty. The Blaze outdoor kitchen, it's a 6-foot assembly. It's got leveling feet, little trash drawer in this guy. Stick your utensils in there, your little flippers, your gizmos and gadgets. This thing's still got a great warranty. It's made out of all 304 stainless. The biggest difference in this going to the Prelude line, you're getting into, I would say, an average mid to high end grill. You're going to tubular grill grates there versus the hexagonal grill grates. I want to say the heat plates are the same, but really when it comes down to dropping the lines of the Prelude, you're getting into the stainless tubing for the burners, a little bit tighter on the grill there, but you can see the quality and attention to detail in these guys. And you're under the 6K mark. You're really ending up with a full outdoor kitchen. This would fit on pretty much any patio, and you're into it for the price of like a mid to high end barbecue head and cart, but you get the entire kitchen. But there you go. So now we've talked about the Blaze Prelude, the Blaze LTE, and the Blaze Pro. Which one do you want? Come down, we'll give you all the info. 1089 Braidwood Road in Courtney, or fireplaces by Cameron.ca. Check out the full line of Blaze.